Hey everyone, welcome to Save Money On. In today's video, we'll be sharing 10 tips for saving money on groceries. Food can be a major expense for many people. But with these tips, you can save money without sacrificing the quality of your meals. Let's get started. Tip 1. Make a list before you shop. This might seem obvious, but planning your meals in advance and making a list of the ingredients you need can save you from impulse purchases and unnecessary items. Tip 2. Shop in bulk. Buying items in bulk can save you money in the long run, especially for non-perishable items like pasta or canned goods. Tip 3. Buy generic or store brand items. Brand name products can be more expensive than their generic counterparts, and in many cases, there's no real difference in quality. Tip 4. Use coupons and loyalty cards. Many grocery stores offer coupons and loyalty programs that can help you save money on your purchases. Tip 5. Shop the sales. Take advantage of weekly specials and sales to get discounts on the items you need. Tip 6. Buy seasonal produce. Seasonal fruits and vegetables tend to be cheaper and fresher than out-of-season options. Tip 7. Avoid pre-packaged and convenience foods. Pre-packaged meals and snacks can be convenient, but they're often more expensive than making your own meals from scratch. Tip 8. Stick to your budget. Set a grocery budget and stick to it. This can help you avoid overspending on unnecessary items. Tip 9. Buy frozen or canned foods. Frozen or canned foods can be cheaper than fresh options, and they last longer, which can help you reduce food waste. Tip 10. Cook in bulk and meal prep. Cooking large batches of meals and meal prepping can save you time and money, and it's a great way to ensure you have healthy meals on hand throughout the week. And there you have it, 10 tips for saving money on groceries. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.